Japan has produced some of the world's most disciplined savers, longest-living retirees, and most debt-free households for centuries. And it has nothing to do with salary. It's a hidden system of financial philosophy that feels illegal to know. Once you hear secret number 7, you'll never look at your wallet the same way again. Welcome back. If you've ever felt like your money disappears the moment it touches your hands, you aren't crazy. In the West, we're taught that earning more solves everything, but Japan figured out something the rest of the world is only starting to understand. In Tokyo, where the average salary is not extraordinary and apartments cost a fortune, ordinary people retire comfortably, carry almost no consumer debt, and sleep without financial anxiety. How? Today we're unlocking 10 ancient Japanese money philosophies that have been quietly protecting Japanese wealth for generations. These aren't budgeting hacks, they are ways of thinking about money that will completely rewire how you earn, spend, save, and invest. And they feel illegal because they go against everything banks, advertisers, and credit card companies need you to believe. You don't need a bigger salary, you need a Japanese mindset. Secret number 1, Ikigai Budgeting. Spend only on what has a reason to be. In Japan, Ikigai means a reason for being. It's why people wake up in the morning. Most people apply it to career, but the Japanese apply it to every purchase. The hack? Before buying anything non-essential, ask the Ikigai question. Does this serve my reason for being? Not just, do I want this, but does this move my life forward? This single question, practiced daily, eliminates 80% of impulse spending, not through willpower, through philosophy. It feels illegal because it doesn't require a spreadsheet. It requires a quiet second of thought that most consumer culture is designed to prevent. Secret number 2, Kakeibo, the 400-year-old Japanese budget book. Long before spreadsheets, apps, or financial advisors, Japanese women in the 1900s used Kakeibo, pronounced Kakeibo, a handwritten monthly money journal. Every month you answer 4 questions, by hand. How much do I have? How much do I want to save? How much am I spending? And how can I improve? The hack? The physical act of writing money down by hand activates a psychological commitment that digital tracking never does. Studies show Kakeibo practitioners save 35% more than people using apps. It feels illegal because it's slower, and that's exactly why it works. Friction creates awareness. Secret number 3, the Genkan rule. Stop financial clutter at the door. In every Japanese home, there is a genkan, a transitional space at the entrance where you remove your shoes before entering. Outside energy stays outside. The wealthiest Japanese families apply this to money. The hack? Create a financial genkan. Every purchase, subscription, or financial commitment must pass through a 48-hour waiting zone before it enters your budget. Like shoes at the door, it stays in the entrance until you decide it truly belongs inside. This one rule has been shown to reduce discretionary spending by 20 to 30% with zero deprivation. You're not saying no, you're saying not yet. And most of the time, not yet becomes actually never mind. Secret number 4, wabi-sabi investing. Find beauty in imperfect, long-term growth. Wabi-sabi is the Japanese art of finding beauty in imperfection and impermanence. A cracked tea bowl, a mossy stone, a tree shaped by decades of wind. Most Western investors panic at dips, chase perfection, and time the market obsessively. The hack? Apply wabi-sabi to your portfolio. A 7% average annual return that is held through downturns beats a 15% return that is panic sold at every dip. The imperfect, patient portfolio always wins. The Japanese proverb says, "A frog in a well does not know the great ocean." Most investors only see the short-term well. Wabi-sabi teaches you to hold long enough to see the ocean. Secret number 5, motenai, the philosophy that makes you rich by wasting nothing. Motenai is one of Japan's most powerful cultural concepts. It expresses deep regret over waste, of objects, of money, of potential. Japanese grandmothers who lived through the post-war era became legendary wealth builders, not by earning more, but by wasting nothing. The hack? Apply motenai to 3 financial areas. Wasted subscriptions, services you pay for but never use. Wasted interest, money silently bleeding to banks every month. And wasted idle cash, money sitting in a 0.01% account when it could be earning 20x more in a high-yield account. Motenai isn't about being cheap, it's about deep respect for the resources you've worked hard to earn. Secret number 6, Ma and the Japanese art of empty space in your budget. In Japanese aesthetics, Ma means negative space, the deliberate emptiness between objects, sounds, or moments. It's considered as important as the things themselves. Most people fill every dollar of their income with expenses. There is no Ma. The hack: build intentional empty space into your budget, a minimum 20% that is not assigned to anything, not savings, not investing, just Ma. This financial breathing room is what prevents emergencies from becoming disasters. It's what gives you the freedom to say yes to an opportunity without going into debt. It feels illegal because every finance guru tells you to allocate everything, but Ma teaches you that the space between is where real wealth lives. Secret number 7, Kaizen, the Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement, used by Toyota to build the most reliable cars in history, not through revolution, through tiny, daily 1% improvements. The hack? Apply Kaizen to your finances. Don't try to save 30% overnight. Instead, increase your savings rate by just 1% every month. Month 1, save 5%. Month 2, save 6%. Month 3, save 7%. By month 12, you're saving 15% without ever feeling a dramatic lifestyle change. This is why Japanese manufacturing beat American manufacturing for decades. Americans tried to make giant leaps. The Japanese made 365 small ones per year. The math always favors Kaizen. Secret number 8, Ichigo Ichie. Treat every financial decision as once in a lifetime. Ichigo Ichie is a Japanese tea ceremony concept meaning one time, one meeting. Every tea gathering is treated as if it will never happen again, deserving full presence and intention. The hack? Apply this to every major financial decision. That lease you're signing, that investment you're making, that loan you're taking. Most financial mistakes happen because people treat big decisions like routine ones, distracted, rushed, influenced by salespeople. Ichigo Ichie says, sit down, be fully present. This moment is unrepeatable. Read every document, ask every question, sleep on it. This one philosophy prevents the "I should have paid more attention" regret that costs people thousands. Secret number 9, the Samurai Emergency Fund. Prepare before the battle, not during. Japan's samurai class had a code: prepare completely before conflict, so that in conflict you need only act. A samurai who prepares during the battle has already lost. Most people build an emergency fund after an emergency. That's not a fund, that's a debt. The Japanese-style emergency fund is non-negotiable, untouchable, and built before you need it. 3 to 6 months of expenses, in a completely separate account, ideally at a different bank, so it requires friction to access. The samurai didn't carry his sword because he was afraid. He carried it so fear never had to enter the equation. A fully funded emergency fund does the same thing for your financial life. Secret number 10, Hanami, the annual financial reset. Every spring, Japan stops. Millions of people gather under cherry blossom trees for Hanami, flower viewing, not to be productive, to pause, reflect, and appreciate before the blossoms fall. The hack? Once a year, same date every year, do a complete financial Hanami. Review your net worth, cancel what no longer serves you, increase your savings rate, rebalance your investments, and set one new financial intention for the year ahead. It takes 2 hours. It feels illegal because 2 hours per year, structured and intentional, does more for your financial life than 365 days of anxious daily checking. The cherry blossoms remind the Japanese that everything is temporary. Your debt is temporary. Your current income is temporary. The only thing that persists is the system you build underneath it. Japan didn't build one of the world's highest life expectancies and strongest savings cultures by accident. They built it on philosophy, on ways of thinking about money that compound quietly over decades. You don't need a higher salary. You don't need a financial advisor. You need Ikigai to guide your spending, Kaizen to grow your savings, wabi-sabi to hold your investments, and Motenai to waste nothing. The West sells you complexity. Japan offers you clarity. Which of these 10 philosophies are you starting today? If you're building your Kakeibo journal this week, comment Team Kakeibo below. And if you want to see how Japan's philosophy of simplicity can be applied to your entire financial life, income, investing, and retirement, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.